Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video, I'll be talking about BNY Mellon. BNY Mellon is currently having their applications open for their Summer Analyst Internship role 2026. So as an intern at BNY Mellon, you will get the opportunity to convert it to a PPO or a pre-placement offer, in which you will get the opportunity to work as a summer analyst full-time employee at BNY Mellon. Being a full-time employee at BNY Mellon offers you a salary of around 20 LPA. It can go up to 24 LPA. So if you are keen to apply at a company like BNY Mellon, then watch this video till the end to know all about the process. So talking about the eligibility criteria that they have mentioned, it is quite simple. You need to be currently pursuing your BTech degree program with a CGPA currently of over 7, and you should not be having any active or current backlogs, right? Moving over to their hiring process, they will be having an initial online coding assessment where you will be asked 4 questions which can range from easy to medium to hard, and there will be questions from a variety of topics with a time limit. So make sure that you are reading the question. If you are not able to come up with an approach for any of the questions, move over to the next, because time and the number of test cases that you are passing for any question does matter in the long run, because that decides who will be getting into the interview rounds, right? So after the online coding assessment, you will have to sit for an interview, which will be a technical interview, in which you will be asked to solve some DSA questions in front of the interviewer. You will be asked some basic core CS fundamental topics like from DBMS, from object oriented programming languages. So basically you'll be asked questions like what is the super keyword in Java, or what's the difference between method overloading, method overriding. So simple questions just to test your knowledge. And you might also be asked questions on SQL queries in this round. Moving over to the next round, if you get through the first technical interview, you will have to sit for another technical interview, in which you will be asked questions on projects, tech stacks that you have mentioned in your resume. You will again be asked about SQL queries, and the questions this time that you will be asked on DBMS and object oriented programming languages will be a bit more advanced, a bit more in depth. You will have to answer questions like what's the difference between an interface and an abstract class, and so on. You might also be asked some puzzle based questions in this round. So now if you get through these technical interviews, you will have to sit for a last round of interview, which will be kind of an HR round. This will be happening over Cisco WebEx, where you will be asked questions like where you see yourself in the next 5 years, what are your short-term goals and long-term goals, and what do you do to achieve them. Then some questions for which you might be needing some preparation is what kind of platforms do you seek the help of to improve your skills in this field. And you might be asked questions on your interests, what topics interest you in this field. Suppose I say MLAI, then I should be knowing about MLAI to answer that, right? So know about what the answers are to the PYQs, because you might be cross questioned on them, so you might have to be ready for it, right? So these are the rounds that you will have to sit for to get into a BNY Mellon summer internship role. As an intern, you will get to work on multiple meaningful projects and business challenges. You will get to work with senior leaders and mentors, and you will get to be a part of several technical and development workshops where you can improve yourself. And definitely at the end of the day, you have the challenge and the probability of getting a PPO and being a full-time employee at a company like BNY Mellon. So do not miss this opportunity. Go ahead, the application link is in my description of this video. Go ahead and apply before the link expires. And if you are liking my content, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys have a great day. See you in my next video.